We at Audi are here today at the AXA National Classic Car Show to show Audi Sport, show the evolution of Audi Sport since the 80s into our road cars here today. So it really is a celebration of everything we do through our rally history and also through our motorsport history.
This is my first time here. I've literally walked in the door and it's the first car I've seen, so that grabbed my attention straight away.
I think its racing and rally history has been fantastic, yeah.
Classic quattro rally spec, yeah.
It's the contours actually. It'd be nice. The contours are a nice design.
But that being an RS, that is the top and top of the range, and such a sounder to them.
That was the most awesome car for rallying it.
But even today, that's sitting on anything at all. It looks like a beautiful car.